Hey kids, how are you? I can see that you all are excited for a new lesson. Even I am excited to learn with you. So today we are going to learn about pronoun you. So you is a subject pronoun which acts as a subject of the sentence and it performs the action in the sentence. Pronoun you is used in place of second person singular or plural. For example, you are doing great. In this sentence, pronoun you is performing the action. Therefore, it is a subject pronoun. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun you clear. So Rudy, read the first example of pronoun you.
You are my best friend.
Correct. So whenever we talk with the second person, we always use the pronoun you. Suppose I'm talking to you. So rather taking your name, I will use the pronoun you.
But the second person? Who is it?
I know you are a little bit confused. Let me clear your confusion. Suppose I'm talking to you. So I am the first person and you are the second person. So when the first person communicates with the second person, we always use the pronoun
You.
Absolutely correct.
Now I got it.
Very nice. So Rudy, read the second example.
You are a good boy.
Correct. So again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun you because we are talking about the second person. So whenever we talk about the second person, rather using his or her name again and again, we always use the pronoun
You.
Absolutely correct. So Rudy, our last example of pronoun you is you work hard. So can you identify the pronoun in the sentence?
It is you.
Correct. And why we have used the pronoun you?
Because we are talking about the second person.
Absolutely correct. So whenever we talk about the second person, we always use the pronoun
You.
very good.
Thank you.
So I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun you. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.